Good evening to you. How are you doing? It's another Tuesday night. Olypa is my name here on Radio TFM. We're welcoming you to another edition of Spotlight. So here is where we talk to people from different angles of life. We hear their stories, learn one or two, and actually get to know some of the people that you just see out there on the Spotlight. So we bring them right here. I hope that you're doing fine tonight. And we are blessed tonight. We have a very special guest. I'm not going to introduce him. I am going to let him introduce himself so that he gets all the vibe that he needs. There you go.
Yeah, my name is Olypa Banda. Some people know me as Mr Taonani Taonani. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm happy to be here.
I think we should start from the Taonani Taonani. So you can just get the vibes on the tip. And who is he really the one?
Taonani 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 mainda longo Taonani Mr Taonani ro afika ku radio 2 kumene akhala kucheza pa program imene ya Spotlight ziliko
There you go. So it's him in the house tukati kucheza ndi Mr Taonani mu studio muno usiku uno. So all right, Connex.
Yes.
Mwina ndo akuzongofuna kudziwa. Out of the blues, it just came out like from 0 to 100. We just got to know, there is this person. So, who is Connex? And who would have found Connex? I am Billy Bat.
I am Billy Ponena kuti Connex ndi mmodzi mwana 6 amene anabadwa mu family ya Olypa Banda ndikhulupirira kuti ku MBC kunoko Olypa Banda si munthu wachilendo kwenikweni chitapo maprogramu awo pabwalo tipisa ndi chichewa ndi zina zotero. Ine ndi mmodzi mwana 6 amene ndinabadwa mu family imeneyi. I'm second born. We are 5 boys and only one sister to be last born anyway.
All right.
Yeah. And mwina ndakulira ndakulabe kwambiri mwina kumudzibe. Nabwera Blantyre muno ngene ndakulirabe Blantyre muno mwenewe. Naphunzira primary yanga ku dowa 1 dowa 2 fika kumudzi kwathu ndi kudowa. Naphunzira nadalisika ndi ma amenewo. Komanso naphunzira apo ku Liwala secondary school, Kasungu secondary school, Sochi Blantyre munomo. Naphunzira koso pa Pole. In fact, insana bwere pa Pole naphunzira koso pa Blantyre Business College pa Clock Tower. Kodi Clock Tower kapena Clock Tower. Osari independent masokoniza independent side Clock Tower. Clock Tower. Pa Clock Tower. Then afterwards then napezeka kuti napanga za parallel programs pa Pole. De pamene paja naphunzira nditu first year, second year. Mene ndimafuna nzikamba third year. Ndimene brother wanga ananditana kuti tabwera ku UK chanchani ngati kufuna. And that time you're talking about 2003 for inali ngati kuti akati UK, it was a joke.
Until now.
I don't think so. I just feel maybe because I'm there, then I feel it's no, you know what I mean? But I just feel like that time,
of course, yes.
It was a joke.
But of course, people can maneuver their way, but that time, you really needed to have all the connections and the money for you to say you would go. I get it.
So, it gave me a choice if you want to continue studying at Polytechnic or if I want to go to UK, then it's a choice is yours. Then I talked to my daddy. My daddy said choice is yours. Then I say okay. Then I'm going to UK. I'm leaving the school. So I dropped off.
All right.
Then we try to keep the space at the Polytechnic, but when you're in UK, you don't want to come back here. Then
you're making the real money there.
not real money, but you just feel like I can't be here. At first, when you visit UK, you feel like I can't be here. I'll be here for 2 years. Then
I'll go back
then
home.
3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Then later on, you start finding the ways of how can I be a citizen here?
Trying to Google. I get it. Now you're becoming comfortable. You're like, no, this is home now. This is home. All right.
Yes.
Quite interesting. All right.
Sure.
So you just decided to stay. So you've been in the UK for how long?
I've been in UK for about 18 years, maybe.
All right.
I had a chance to join the British Army.
Okay.
Which is in 2007. Then I served in British Army for about 7 years.
Okay.
Then because of some other things anyway, like most of the time maybe you go to exercise, go to war, go to different places. It was like most of the responsibility to take care of the kids were for my missus. So,
okay. No, we were going to go there. Going to go there.
So we thought we sat down and discussed about
like,
it. Then he said, no, I have to find something which you can be here each and every day.
Beautiful.
Sure.
Beautiful. So you're married?
Yes, I'm married with 4 kids.
Oh, wow. That's quite interesting.
Busy man. Very
busy man.
Very busy man.
No, that's beautiful. Congratulations. I think that's one thing that a lot of us didn't know. Because it's like the only thing that you've let us know is the Taonani pad.
Some other people who who have been following me since day one anyway, they know I'm married because I don't hide my missus. I don't hide my kids on social media. Maybe until recently where I'm like selective to put what to put, what not to put. You know what I mean?
That's very important.
Before you make your name, you just put things. You know what I mean?
You're an open book. You're okay.
Yes.
But then, now that you have all the attention, and sometimes you find that some people don't like you for their own reasons. They would actually try to attack your family. So it's very important to always make sure you're very selective of what you're posting on social media.
True.
Okay, I think that is why. And with the trend, we are not able to tell. It's because now you decided to be selective, but it's very important. All right. Oh, that's quite a very beautiful background. So, any plans of coming back to stay?
I always say this, but people always hate me for my only genuine opinion. Yes. I feel like to come back here, but in the true sense, I'll not come back here to settle. Ask me why.
Why? Okay,
listen. I have 4 kids.
Okay.
And they're all studying. The oldest one being 13. And the time we finishes school, maybe at 20 or 20 something, they're gonna start getting married.
Of course, yes.
My age will not be the same.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? And as of now, I'm thinking like connects as young connects, but come 60s, 70s, I'll be thinking like grandpa.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? Oh, grandpa, they're always happy with the
grandchildren around.
Exactly. That's how I'm gonna be. So I'm putting myself in there, like are going to be maybe 60 or 70, something like that. And these kids, they will have like their own kids as well. And when these kids, they have their own kids, they're going to have maybe better jobs.
Of course, yes. So
Then
the kids are UK citizens?
Yes.
Wow, beautiful.
You see, so they're going to be asking me maybe, oh, Daddy, can you take care of our kids? We want to go back to work.
So you would proudly do that.
As a grandpa, I'll never say no. Because in my mind, as of now, I'm thinking like I'm young. I can't do this. You know what I mean? Yes. But as a grandpa, that's the only things which are going to keep me busy are these kids when they are pinching me and they like it. They're talking jokesy or school and they like. So at that point, maybe the firstborn is having kids. Then I'll take care of the firstborn kids. Then second one is having another one. When I'm deciding to come back to Malawi, these kids, they're going to start asking, oh, you took care of your
the first grandchildren.
Yes.
How about ours?
What about ours?
Wow.
What am I going to do? What am I going to say?
So you just want to be there for your kids?
Because I know exactly it's going to happen. It's going to happen. I can't, because another thing is, I'm going to come back here, but most of my age mate will not be here.
Of course, yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Some of them, they're going to call me Anchona. Anachona, Anachona. I'm going to chan chan.
So you'd rather just stay there and be the Nchona, right?
Yes, I better. You know what I mean? People going to know me there and they like, I'm also. Exactly.
All right.
You see what I mean?
Okay. So apart from you just wanting to be there for your kids, you want your kids to go, or this is now home.
Yes.
Any other reason? Or maybe you feel like you haven't invested enough for you to come back with the family?
No, if I want to invest in here, I can start now. I'm still
of course,
young and I can still,
fresh,
I can invest. But what may happen in here, I'm investing something. But what do you invest for? For yourself or for your kids?
For your kids, of course.
Do you think if my kids come here and say, we have come here for our daddy's property, daddy's farm, daddy's garden, daddy's this, do you think they're going to win the case?
Even if they wouldn't win, even if they win, I don't think somebody who's a UK citizen would actually find it comfortable here, to be very honest.
So, here you go. Here you go. You see?
So, to be very honest, I don't think somebody was...
you do investment for the kids.
Of course, yes.
If they cannot be... if they cannot have access for your properties, for your things in here, or if they will not be accepted in the community because of people fighting for the place. As of now, people were born here. They know they were born here. They know they've grown up here. They know everything about them. But they always are saying, we don't know you. Oh, you were born in this family, and you are coming here to claim the land. What about somebody who was born in
the UK?
Yes, and is coming here trying to find the place. They will just stay maybe for 1 week and gone.
Of course, yeah.
You know what I mean?
I get it. So, I think from also the point that these kids are UK citizens, there's no need.
But people always say, oh, you're thinking like, but me, I know for sure I have got real reasons for not
coming back.
Yes.
All right. So,
but I love the place. I'll never stop coming here.
Okay, no, that's beautiful. At least you have some time to let me go back home.
Here.
So you're married to a white woman, or?
No, I'm married to Malawian.
Okay.
From Chiladzulu and from Balaka as well.
Okay.
Sola. And and Tie Mpama as well. So beauty Mpama.
All right. Beautiful. Beautiful.
All
right. So this is Spotlight on Radio TFM, and tonight we have Mr Taonani Taonani.
Alright, so
we have alright, so you know what I'm talking about. That's a self-introduction. Alright, so let's move. When you moved from here, we done UK, how was life maybe the first few years?
At first I thought like you go there, then you can find the money anywhere, and maybe in the street, or you sometimes you just get the money without working anyway. You know what I mean?
The way people put it, it's as if it's easy to make money that side.
But to me, it was a bit easy because my brother was already there.
Yes.
So he was like feeding us. He was doing anything. He was showing us direction. It was Fedibi, if you know him anyway. Fedibi.
All right.
Felix Banda. This guy was already there. So he was telling us, he was like, I said, guys, you have to do this, A, B, C, D, or I'll take you here. You have to register with agency so you can get the job anyway, and maybe start earning something, or start earning your own money. When you are here, you don't choose the job. At first, you can take any job, whichever comes in your way. Then, but this brother of mine was like paying the rent and the like anyway. I feel sorry for him because maybe when he just visited UK for the first time, he didn't know exactly, and you can imagine.
I understand.
You know what I mean?
So and life should have been so hard for him.
Yes.
So at least he made it easy for you. You had somebody to guide you through.
Yeah.
And, I get it. All right. So the experience, what did he teach you? I know you didn't have a bad one as compared to other people.
No, he told us, say, look, guys, you're here. First thing is, because when we're coming to UK at that time, we're getting the visa at the airport, and it was most of time was like a 6 months visa.
Okay.
So it told us, say, guys, 6 months visa, 3 months you can work. Last 3 months you have to find school, or the school which brought you. Most of the time, most of the time, the school which brought you there is not the school you go to study.
Okay.
Most of the time.
You apply for an expensive one.
Yes.
And then when you get there, you just get an affordable, the one that you can afford.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. So, he said, 3 months is for you to work, raise up the fees and the like, anyway, send money back home and the like, as the last 3 months, you have to go to school and work. So you have to go to school.
And so on the other hand, you're working.
You're working. Okay. So either you go to school for maybe 4 hours, then the rest, or you work night shifts, because in the morning you're going to school. So even if you're going to school, you're sleeping, but at the end
you have to do it.
You have to do it.
Mine has to survive.
That time they were like doing the hours as well.
Okay.
When they're renewing your visa, it has to tally with your hours you've been attending school.
Okay.
Otherwise, home office will say, no, you're working too much.
Working too much.
Yes. And they use like a NI as well, national insurance number, which is like it determines how much you are earning.
Okay.
So even if they're not saying you're going to work, but this national insurance number, when they type
you're making money.
Yes, they know you're making money. Even if you're working 3 jobs, 4 jobs, as far as you're using national insurance number in these jobs, they will know that
this is how much this guy is making.
Yes, he's making, and this is how many places he's going
to work.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So after that, then he definitely we had to listen to him, because he
knew he had been there for a while.
Yes.
So he knew what he was talking about.
Yes. So then because of renewing this visa, 6 months was expensive.
Okay.
To be honest, because they all just give you 6 months, 6 months, 6 months, 6 months, until at some point where they are convinced. And another reason is the reason you have to give to home office has to maybe sometimes to have to differ.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like today, maybe you're gonna say, you studied maybe economics and the like. Next year, or I finished the economics, and you have to show the certificate that you really
got
you
from
passed.
school.
Yeah. So this other time, maybe you take like a computer driving license. You go there, you just learn about the computer, and they give you another certificate. You go.
Looks like it's a lot of work, yeah.
So then after a few years, then I thought, as I said anyway, at first I thought I'll just be here for 4 years and then go. But with time, then I just decided to say, I need to find the way of settling here. Then, fortunately enough, these people, they colonized us anyway. Yeah, so we're like part of Commonwealth countries.
Yes.
So I thought Commonwealth countries were allowed to join the British Army.
Okay.
So eventually I joined the British Army.
All right.
Sure.
So how was your experience in the British Army?
It was very good.
You made a lot of money, too?
It's not about... In the British Army, people make a mistake. They think like you make a lot of money in the British Army.
Okay.
You have a lot of benefits than what you earn.
Oh.
Yes.
All right.
The house which normal people pay like... maybe £600, you pay maybe £200.
I get it.
Dentists, they are like very, very expensive. To take off your teeth, you're looking about maybe paying about 100 something kwacha or so, or more than that. When you are a soldier or your family, it's for free.
Okay.
I'll just say medical, it's for free.
It's for free.
There's some other things like council tax. Council tax, most of people, they pay maybe 200 something, 300.
Okay.
You pay maybe 40 something pounds, which is like
It's a
maybe
little bit
3
cheaper.
times. Yeah, it's there are so a lot of benefits in
You
there.
have a lot of benefits. So it's not like you're earning a lot of money.
Yes.
Okay.
No, you don't
it.
earn a lot of money, and
Right.
you have like a chance to bring your spouse if you want to.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That's
So
the other
they
benefit.
support you. They
Okay.
support you. They give you a letter, supporting documents, and the like when you apply the visa. Sometimes they may refuse it. Like I remember my missus first time they said no. Then here sometimes they think like, oh, that means you were in contact with Home Office and the
yes,
like.
yes,
What I mean?
Yeah.
But it's different. It's completely different. You have no say to Home Office when they say
okay.
no to
It's
visa.
a no.
Yeah. No, it's no. You have no say. So yeah, eventually they gave her the visa. So
All right.
yeah.
So this the missus was you left her behind.
Yes.
So after you had gone settled, you had to invite her to come over.
Yes,
That's beautiful.
But when I was joining the army, I had a visa. I had this other student visa, but I know I was going to join the British Army because I left my application. Then I came to visit Malawi.
Okay.
Then we had the wedding and the like. Anyway,
Beautiful.
But our relation started a few years behind anyway, so before we get married.
Wow, that's beautiful because most of the times antu akavaya kamakakwatira
Of
makiwa
course, and because when you are there, you always like maybe send something to your missus, you send that and the like, and people will like say, "How special is your missus? You always there are a lot of girls here and the like." But I was saying, look, guys, I know my missus from way back, and you are telling me to meet somebody here who maybe wabwera kunoko akubwera kuti mwina makolo akamuthawitsa kunena kuti khaidwe lakoli
silabwino
tikakusiya kupita ku UK ukakakhala pawekha mwina
ukakhala ukazimira pawekha and then you find kwazipeza kuti wazimangirira mukanga uli amene
waona wakadzilowetsa mmene mujamu so nkupezeka kuti iweyo chifana kuti sukudziwa kuti munthu jantota wakumana naye wokulakula chanchani oye ndi after wadziwa kwatira chikondi chalowerera pamene pacha anthu azibwera kunena kuti I've been seeing your missus at Bwandiro several times.
Waona mesa imene ndi mbiri
mbiri imene iyo komano mbiri imene jayo
it comes back
imakupweteka mumtima you try let's be honest. We pretend to forget about it. You know what I mean? But still more when nthawi inake mwina ukangodwala pang'ono umadzakeza kuti
mwina wandipweteka tu
mwina tu ndizichamane nazijatu waona ndi zinthu zoona kuti sikuti tikuletsa kuti anthu akakumana
it's okay but for you as a man and your principles we're like uyu ndikumuziwa tikamutenga amene kubwera naye kuno tisakhala limodzi no that's beautiful. That is beautiful.
And I think it has paid off because Taonani Taonani amabwera ndi different reactions. Some people say, why are you doing this? You are wasting your time, or you look like a mad person, or what your missus does, why she's just looking at you doing it, and they like. Some people say that. Some people that go to my missus even
going behind your back.
Why you allowing him to do it? Yes, but my missus say it's his own choice, so he has to do it.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
no,
of course she's not like 100% supporting what it,
but at least she gives you
she gives me a
the
chance
percentage you can actually do.
Some other people, I know some other women, they may just say enough is enough. I'm packing my stuff. You have to stay with Taonani Taonani. I'm gone. You know what I mean? So
yes.
Yeah.
All right. So let's get to Taonani Taonani. How did you start?
Taonani Taonani mwina ndiyambire kumbuyo pang'ono. Tili ndi program ina against mati team anyamata mabodza. I don't know if you heard about it. This program
I'm actually hearing it from you.
Okay. Yeah, this program I normally do it with my best friend Blessings Olypa Banda. I don't know if you heard about him anyway. So this program is like it's like we gossip a lot.
Okay.
Anyamata mabodza. So we gossip a lot.
Right.
We talk about it. For example, Olypa zituzi zake zatuluka uko kwamugwira ntchito ku MBC chanchacha. Zithu sinarutse ndife.
Yes.
Komano chifana kuti
they're out there.
They're out there.
And these days with social media, you know, where to find all the information you need about people.
So they're out there. So we were like, hey, okay, we have pictures. Oh yeah, this is Olypa. Okay. So we try to find out what the zatuluka bwanji watulutsa ndani amatumiza kutiko zinakhala bwanji ndabwana ake akuntchito zakhala bwanji ndeno tikatolela zimene zija makhala ndi kuti ndipo gawo mwina pamakhala ma story ngati amene mwina angapo.
All right, all the trending issues.
Yes. So we come there, we talk about them, say maybe tsikana wina wakeso wako MBC wochuka kwambiri amene amapanga host program ije ya spotlight amene yutu watulutsa katundu wake watulutsa kali pantedete anthu onse akuti iye yutu amatumizira ku chibwezi chake koma chibwezi chake chija madamu ake ndamene azigwira zithuzi zija nde iwowa afalitsa kwa aliyese panakali panopa akuyenda tipi ya wera nyomi panopa akuvala chiboyboy kuti anthu asatani asamuzindikire nde things like those ones me and blessings nde anthu amapezeka kuti akuzikonda kusangalala chanchani zinthu zimenezo. So kwa anthu ena anandidziwa mwina oyambira nthawi imeneyoyo komano when it comes to Taonani choyambira nona video ina yake so ya njovu inali munkhalango komano ili munkhalango mujanapezeka kuti ngati mene uli mina so wakunkhota uja komano wafumbe nde munthu amadutsa ndi njinga ndakudutsa ndi njinga inapezeka kuti kaya munthu uja chifukwa cha mantha anagwa nde njovu ija inapezeka kuti yabweretsa chitamba chake chija yamusandichiza pamwamba then kenaka ndiku njinga yakeso pompa chaso ndema njovu je mapezeka kuti kuseweretsa munthu uja ndi chitamba chake kumbweretsa chanchani ukhala ngati kumponda mokha ngati moyelekezera chanchani ngati osamponda mwa serious kuti afe yayi kupanga munthu uja kuoneka kuti akupuma anthu koma kujambula pamene pachapo kena kudzatenga njinga ijo maseweretsa then ataona anthu tumwena sakuona tu zimene ndikutani ndikuona ine ndi nambo utani ipanga kuinenelera pamene pacha. Taonani munthu uyu wabwerera lokumba taonani njovu imeneyi ikuti ndikupweteka atu lero iwe ukutani munkhalango yanga zinthu ngati zimene zijazo nde basi nde ikamankankha ngati kuti ikunkankha aweye nde ine ndinawo njovu je kunena kuti ndakukhululukira zipita iyayi ndasintha maganizo sapite iyayi kenaka inankankhaso ndeno akukhululukira taonani yamukhululukira taonani iwe tathawa iwe nde munthu janapezeka kuti wathawadi ngati kuti akubva zimene ndikunena inezi nde wathawadi pamene paja nde njovu ija inooneka kuti yamuyang'ana kenaka ndikumusiya kuti apite komano inatenga njinga ija ndikuyinyamula ndi chitamba chako ipititsa mmwamba ndene ndinadzanenera pamene paja unena kuti njovu ikunena wathawaso panakali pano ndithana ndi njinga yakoyi nditenga njinga imeneyi ndizikakwera kunkhalango zinthu zosatheka kuti njovu ikakwera komano ndi zimene zimachitika pamene popo zimaoneka ngati kuti njovu yodi ikuchita choncho kuti yanyamula njinga ija ikukakwera kuti kunkhalango chifukwa inanyamula njinga ija lowa nayo muchani munkhalango mujamo chanchani munthu ija watani wathawa ndiye ndinapereka malangizo kuti guys tizisamala tikamayenda kaya tikuyenda munjira zosiyanasiyana kuli zinyama kunjaku taona ndi zathu wapulumuka lotani lokumbakumba ndiye ndinadzalinaso za anthu ojambulaja kuti inu mungoyang'anira osayigenda bwanji njovu mwakuti musiye munthu lero inapezeka kuti video imeneja ina anthu anabwera ambiri unena kuti kwa ine ndi onenelerayo kwa ine ndionenelera onenelera ndiye napezeka kuti anthu ambiri ayikonda video ije ndinanalo chimene chimachitika anthu amaona video koma samaona zimene ndikutani ndikuona ineya ndeno ndikaitenga video ichi ndizinena zinthu zona kuti zimene ndikuona komanso kwatsegulaso anthu maso kuti mwina chikuchitika ndichani ndiye napezeka kuti chifukwa cha zimene zija basi timavideo tikabwera kukanenelera napezeka kuti page yanga ya Connect yambokula so anthu akusangalala kuzikonda poyamba sankaziziwa nde napezeka kuti ndikapanga mwina Taonani ija napezeka kuti mwina makosana kuli makosana page
Yes.
anthu amene acha mwina kupanga share mikosi kupanga share okay anthu akuzikonda atu zinthu zito ndiye basi napezeka kuti pali ma video tinata 30 seconds toti ukati ukhale slow kwambiri kuti uyinenelere anthu satolapo kanthu ndi nambobwera ndi speed sopano kunena kuti izibwera mwina taonani mwina in 2 seconds ndinene mwina ndamaliza taonani amayi ndabambo zakuti ndiye napezeka kuti basi anthu ambozikonda ndene mwina atsikana enako odya bwino akamagwedeza basi mwina taonani kugwedeza kwandani mkazi watana amene ex wandani mwina atulo amene ndi chibwezi chano kapena ndakazi ano amene taonani mmene akugwedezera mtsikana amene zinthu ngati zimenezozo ndiye zopezeka kuti basi zinthu zija anthu akuzikonda basi neso na neso.
So the response was very good.
Very good.
And it gave you a positive energy to go on and be doing that, to entertain people.
Yes. Zina ngati ndizimezo zona kuti mwina anthu amabwera ukuyamikira matako azimayi. Ona iweyo akazi ako akumati chani. Ona so ndizintuzona kuti ndikuyamikira za munthu pa video chabe munthu uja mwina sinza kumana na Yesu sindikumudziwa sinduziwa kuti anthu amaganiza bwanji kuti ndiziganizira kuti mwina ndisankhule zimene zijazo chifoyendo akazanga afira china chake.
Of course, I actually wanted to go back to the misses now. Kuti ababa amba kubanga ma trends, we're all over, we're in social media and wayamba kutiziwa. How did she take it? You're coming from maybe a life it's very private, and when they used to know you from Yamabozai, but now it's making it out there. It's everywhere on TikTok, on Facebook. It's everywhere. It's there. So how did she take it?
Samakhala involved. Kazwanga samakhala involved. Kuti mwina khala involved or khala part of it. Kuti mwina nene kuti lero tipangezoti ine ndikhale part of yajani ya video yako ya taonani ndeno moyo wathu sikuti unasintha pena paliponse kusintha kunena kuti
she was understanding.
Yes sunasinthe chilichonse moyo wathu kunena kuti mwina ndi taonani pano mwina tiziyambana kapena tizikhala moyo wina wakenso chanchafuka taonani it's me amene ndopanga ine komano akazi anga zimangowakhudza chifuna kuti social media nthawi zina zake umapezeka kuti wapanga zina zake zonena kuti mwina ambiri sanasangale nazo kapena ambiri asangala nazo komano ochepa amene sangasangale nazo ochepa amene sanasangale nazo aja amafuna apange convince anthu amene asangala nazo aja then mwina ndi umakutukwanira family makolo akazi yako ana zinthu ngazimenezo ena popanda even zifukwa zenizeni komano chifukwa cha sanjebe pang'ono kunena kuti direction imene munthu akutani akupita nayo ndi anthu amene aja amataka panga zimene zicha amapita somwina kwa akazi anga kodi anthu akukutukwa nani osangowauza kuti asiya munano bwanji bwanji mukupanga chonchi akutukwanitsa makolo akutukwanitsa ndeno ndizindolana kuti amangofuna munthu ugwe ulesi usiye chinthu chichacho. Ona komano eventually anthu aja amapeza kuti sakukupanga unfollow yayi sakukusiya
they're still following you.
Yes anthu oti mwina sakukondwa nazo nde umakumanaso ndi anthu onena kuti they don't comment on your videos kayikome bwanji kayikhale bwanji samapanga comment komano nthawi yoti wangopanga ka mistake kakang'ono ndi pamene amabwera sopano ife timadziwa athu amene samaganiza bwino timangomuyang'ana timadziwa chakuti amene nde osalephera anthu amenewo ndeno nangasi social media ndiyo yovuta umadziwa zona kuti awa amabwera awa samabwera ndio madina batani yoti awa asamandone awa tisamonani awa zimene ndimachita ine amadana nazo samagwizana nazo.
Okay, so all that influence, has it bring anything positive into your life, or maybe has it made connections for you?
Saname taonani yabweretsa ngati ma followers social media there komanso anthu ambiri akhala kundipanga approach kuti ndizapangira ma advert awo ndapanga pa ma advert ochulukirapo ndithu these all adverts are not for free.
You're making a little something out of it.
Yes. So ndinganene choncho I can do better ndi zina chanchana. I'm managing myself, so
Beautiful.
they're gonna be maybe somebody who's gonna say like, hey, I have to
Ndizikupanga
manage. Ndizikupanga manage connect zina umala kuitsa ufunika muntu, yeah. So yeah, to be honest, yeah, I can see the positive
energy from out there.
Yes,
That's beautiful.
yes.
So you just chose to take the positive part, it?
Yes,
This is a
because
negative part jamari mumachosera.
chifukwa chakuti zina munthu akapanga uchene ndikadziwa zona kuti mwina ndinayika chinthu chicha komano sinaganizire mozama kunena kuti mwina ziapanga mwina ukezimpanga affect wakuti anthu ngati abwera ndi positive criticism like kuti iwe kuchitodziwa kuti yeah, that's where, yes. I accept it, and I normally maybe delete the video or something like that, or even kainali post kungoichwa tsapo chanchanet kuti imagine paliso anthu ena amabweraso kudzena kuti mwina kungofuna kulakwitsa kwachitika nkhani yakuti Olypa muziwa sindomuziwa amakuyenchita kwakuti wapanga abcd tampange post ukangopanga post uona reaction ya anthu imene ichitike pezeka kuti wapanga post chinthu ichi anthu sakudziwa kuti kodi chachitika ndijani ndiyeno anthu amakutenga kuti iweyo nthu wamabodza ungodana naye munthu uja chancho kufuna umonongere mbiri yako chacha ndiye ukampeza munthu uja inu kodi nesa mmati kwachitika nkhani yawo kuti wakuti ilipo kungoti ndazi zake amene wakubakira aja ndazi zake kawene nde zinthu kaziwezo ndiye ndizofunika kuti ukamapanga nkhani post zinthu chanchana umene uzikhala kuti yes nkhani jadi yatani yazungulira
of course, yes, it's got some background to my basis tinatake kuti mwino akata ima pachulu be like okay, but this is what is happening. It's trending. All right, okay. All right, so lastly, on social media and family,
yes.
Most of the times panopodi tikumaona kuti zinthu zopanga wina, people decide to just drag in the family.
Yes.
How have you decided, I mean, what's your decision on making sure that you keep your family safe from any social media drama?
I can say I'm trying to stay away from maybe talking about individuals. You see, like individuals, I'm talking about like maybe talking about yourself. Because definitely if I talk about yourself, yourself, family members, your family members, and the like, they're all gonna be, though it is true, but they're gonna be against it anyway. So I'm trying to take the videos which are there, which are positive videos and the like anyway, and do Taonani, or myself maybe talking about some other things like maybe mizimu yandituma momoti ndikengati ndikuyankhula mubwera mwina mizimu yandituma kuti ndiyankhuleza kuti zakuti komano it's gonna be like my own experience ya zinthu mene zikutani zilili. Yeah, so ngakhale ntakhala kuti ndadziteteza kunena kuti ndisakambeza munthu ndisapange chakuti kuli anthu ena ake kuti ndi asanje chabe ndi mmene iweyo ukupangira develop apangabe ataki family yako.
Of course, yes.
So apart from kuti ineyo ndingapange bwanji to cover my family, somehow it will not work. Because
but at least you're trying, whereby
yes,
you
I'm
don't,
trying,
you don't
yes.
want to get your family involved, but
Yes,
just doing your own things,
yes,
and not attacking people.
Yes.
All right. So do you smoke weed?
No, I don't smoke.
So where do you get the energy from?
It's just energy, like
natural energy.
Natural energy. I think maybe genes of big man anyway.
Of course, yes. Of course, yes.
Yeah.
That one,
So,
yes.
yeah. A lot of people think like maybe I smoke.
You do wajajamba.
Yes, wajajamba. Sima suta foja winali yese. Sindima suta chamba. Sima bangedit mauanga kuti mwina ndapa ngedit wandiva iwe mene ndikuwa.
Of course, yes.
Sima bangedit anthu omonanga kuti mwina ndikapanda ndikulowa mu studio ndikuti ndikulowetsa chinsinthamau and the like, you know, that's my own voice anyway.
All right.
Yeah. So
okay, so thank you very much for coming through tonight, and thank you so much for joining us from wherever you're listening. Spotlight is always here every Tuesday night from 8:30 all the way to 9:30. Olypa the DJ's my name. But before we go, just one last one.
taonani mainda bambo taonani tilili pano tili ndi Olypa Banda ameneyu ninkhala kale pa radio 2 makamaka program imeneyi ya spotlight imene imachitika Tuesday iliyonse mkatikati mwa usiku. Taonani tili mu studio muno ku MBC radio 2. Taonani timuyamikire nzima yameneyu pondipanga approach kuti tikambirane za Mr Taonani Connect Banda ziliko taonani mainda bambo.
All right, so you have it. It's him. One last word before you go. Would you like to say anything before you go?
Yes, just have to thank all my fans, anyway, genuine fans. That is for keep on encouraging me, sending me videos, following me, and kundipanga support munjira zosiyana ndimakunyadirani kwambiri. Sininganene mwina tsiku ndi tsiku komano muve kumene muliliko kuti ndimakunyadirani kwambiri pa zimene mmandipangira kundipanga support. Only genuine fans.
Thank you very much. Only genuine fans. Yes. So if you know that you're a fake fan, this doesn't go to you. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm still around all the way to 12 midnight.